Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my spring home tour for 2020. I am so excited to finally show you guys everything completed, as much as it's going to be, especially since I can't go out and look at Hobby Lobby or anything like that, but I had plenty of decor and I really just used exactly what I had to make my home feel as springy and happy and clean as possible. So I hope you guys are excited to see. I'm gonna show you everything with me explaining where everything's from first. If you don't want to watch that part, I will put a timestamp on the screen of where the home tour set to music starts. If you just want to watch that part, it's totally fine, but I will let you guys know exactly where to click to. So before we even get into this, I hope you guys will subscribe. It's absolutely free and it's the big red button down below, so you won't miss out on any upcoming videos I have in the future. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the home tour. Okay, so right when you walk in my front door, you have this little foyer area, and this I easily can change up for every kind of season or holiday. So I have this pew bench that's from Kirkland's. This blue pillow is from Home Goods, and then all these assorted flowers are from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, I think. And then the tobacco basket is from Hobby Lobby, and I love my letterboard. I love to change this out for every time of the year, and that's from Hobby Lobby as well. And then underneath the bench is just two little baskets that I use to keep our shoes, just so the dogs don't get in them or chew our shoes up or something, and it just makes it look a little bit nicer. And then I just have this gold circle mirror hanging above the entryway. I feel like having a mirror in a small entryway just makes the space feel a lot bigger. You don't feel as like crowded, which we still have a decent sized entryway, but I love this little area, and it's just a nice little welcoming spot when your guests walk in the front door. Okay, so if you come in from the garage, this is what you see. I had this cute little setup, which this big piece is from Hobby Lobby. It's one of my all-time favorites. I've shown it in a bunch of videos. And then I have this lamp, which is from Walmart, and I love it. This little succulent is from TJ Maxx, and then I just have our picture. This sign right here is from Hobby Lobby, and they do have it out this year, and I just love the colors and the green little wreath. Also, I forgot to mention this fiddle leaf fig when you first walk in is from Target, and the planter is from TJ Maxx. So this is what you see when you first walk in from the front door. You just walk right in, and we have this nice open concept living room. And so I'm going to just give you a little tour of the spring decor. So if you turn right here, I have our little setup. I have this old window frame that a friend gave me that I absolutely love, and I just put my spring wreath on it just to kind of put a springy pop there. And then I really didn't do much on this area because I like to keep it kind of simple. We have our wedding pictures are on this little USB drive. It's like right there, it pulls out and it turns into a USB drive, so I like to display that. This is our wedding album that I usually will pick some pictures and leave it open for guests to look at. I have my diffuser that I absolutely love, and I'm diffusing lemon essential oil in it right now, and it just makes the whole house smell fresh and clean, perfect for spring. And then this vase is from Hobby Lobby. I got it on clearance for $3, and I just put some Walmart faux eucalyptus in it, and these are like $1 or $2 for this whole bunch of it. So I really love the way that turned out. Super simple. And then back here is my little wedding video is on this little USB drive that's in this jar. I like displaying that as well, and that way I know where it is when I want to watch it. So this shelf is always a work in progress, but for spring I just added a few little touches. So this little potted plant is from Target. That Hobby Lobby Easter sign, and then these are all from Target as well, and the eggs are from Hobby Lobby. And then this next shelf pretty much is the same. I really didn't do much more on here, but these are from Hobby Lobby, and so is this picture frame. I need to put a spring picture in it because I still have a Christmas one. Continuing towards the other side of the house, all I did back here was put this beautiful picture from Hobby Lobby. I love it so much. I love the muted colors and how, like, I don't know, it just adds a nice little pop when you walk back here, because then we just have the guest bathroom, and we have 2 bedrooms. They're both wrecks right now, so I'm not even going to show you. That is what that sweet little picture looks like on the wall. So this basket I just keep here and put some of their most played with toys, because I'm always having to run into the bedroom to grab their toys, so we just leave them out here. And then on our couch, y'all know my throw pillow situation is not ideal. I'm just trying to mix and match and figure out what I like. I'm pretty pleased with this section, but this section needs some work. So I just threw on a cute little throw blanket. This is from Home Goods a couple years ago. It's just this really nice pretty blue color. It adds a nice pop. And then over here, this one's from Kirkland's, and I love it because it has the little braided tassels with the pom-poms on the end. So that's about all I did on the couch. And then this mirror I've had in a couple of videos. It is from Kirkland's, but I love the beaded accent. At first I didn't think I was gonna like it because it is a much darker wood than I'm used to, but I actually really love the contrast with the white walls. So when you're sitting down on our couch, this is our little coffee table setup. So I have these, which we use them as coasters. They're actually candle lids, and I love them. I think they're so beautiful. So I definitely like to keep these out as coasters. This little tray, beaded tray with the woven material, is from Kirkland's. And then we have my favorite tropical citrus candle burning. And then all this other stuff is from Hobby Lobby. And I love this little setup, especially since we have a circle coffee table. I love the circle tray and like the simple accents. I think it's so pretty. Moving on to this section of the house, the only thing I really did over here was add this throw blanket for a cozy feel. I like just the thrown over the chair look that it gives, and it's actually really cozy when you do sit over here. And then this little vase is one of my absolute favorite home decor pieces. It's by the Hearth and Hand line from Target. I just love the blue with the gold flecks, and then the flowers I think are from Hobby Lobby. And then I did change out this picture recently. I don't know if you've seen it in any of my other videos, but this is from Hobby Lobby as well, and I love the way this section looks when you back up. It's just really simple but really pretty. So the fireplace decor is kind of slacking, honestly. I'm not thrilled with this whole setup, but for now it works. All the flowers in this vase are from Hobby Lobby, and then the big vase is the other one I got from Target a couple years ago, and it's the big one from the Hearth and Hand collection as well. So I love this one. It's just a really good statement piece, and I think it's perfect for the fireplace. And then up here I just have my little Easter He is Risen sign, and my wooden beaded garland from the Christmas section at Kirkland's. I just leave it out year round because I really like it. And then this vase was actually a vase my mom was going to give away, and I was like, nope, I want it, so I took it. I put some lavender stalks in it that are from Walmart as well, and then some little baby's breath. And over here, my blanket ladder. So I moved it and I put some little lemons in a cute little net bag. These are from IKEA. The lemons are from Kirkland's. And then I put a little wreath on the ladder from Target, as well as this little dish towel, which is from Hobby Lobby. In this basket, I just stuck another little throw blanket and a cute little pink pillow for a pop of color because I really didn't know what to do over here. Onto the kitchen, there's not too much that's different. This little watering can my mom gave me, and I put some flowers in it. All the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. And then I put it on this riser, which I got at TJ Maxx, I believe, or Home Goods. A 2-pack of these risers, and I really love them for elevating your decor. One of my favorite things though about my kitchen is like this little eat-in area. I just love it. It's so my style, and I just love the way it turned out. So I did replace these placemats. These are from Hobby Lobby, and these were actually really affordable. The ones at Target are like, it would have cost me way more than $20 to do this table, and I think I got these for $3 or $4 a piece. And then this lampshade is from IKEA. I've showed that in a couple previous videos, as well as this plant is one of my favorites. I cannot remember what kind of plant it is, but it's absolutely thriving in this windowsill area. The addition though are these pictures that are just the sweetest touch. They give my kitchen just a happy feel, and they're a set of 3, and they're from Kirkland's. So I absolutely love them. They were on sale for $19.99 for all 3. And I just love them on this wall. It really needed something over here because there's really nothing, and I didn't want it to be where you felt restricted. So these don't take up hardly any room, and then it just makes the kitchen look so sweet and happy. Other thing I have is my Birds of Paradise plant. It doesn't stay here normally, but I was letting it get some sun yesterday, and I just haven't moved it back. But I love the leaves on this thing. They're huge. So I'm just hoping that it gets lots of sun and it stays alive and healthy. I like to just have a fun colored dish towel out at all times because it just makes it feel more happy. And then I have my little springy dish soap. I just love the bottle of that, so I thought it was really cute. And then up here, I just keep my little watering cans and plant mister because I like to have that on hand when I do need to water my plants. To the coffee bar area, all I did over here was add this Let Love Grow sign. I really loved it because it had this leather detailing with this like dowel rod, and it was only like $3 or $4 at Joann's, so I thought that was super cute. And then I added some fun Easter colored M&Ms. That's always a must-have for any of my seasonal decor. And then I just put my little measuring cups and my little wooden spoons on this Easter egg plate that's from Hobby Lobby. So now we're in my dining room, and I really didn't do that much on my dining tablescape because right when I was going to buy all the stuff to do my like pretty tablescape, the CDC did the stay-at-home order, so we're just gonna rock with what I already had. But thank goodness I already bought these plates. These are from Target and I absolutely love them, and I just put them on top of my normal plates I have out year-round. And then all this is the same. Honestly, I didn't get to do all of my fun little tablescape I wanted to do, but that's okay. But I did do a cute little lemonade stand. So if you've seen this in one of my past videos, I actually put it together. But I thought this was just so fun, especially for summer coming up. I'm going to definitely leave this out. And I just thought it was a fun little lemonade stand. So this picture is from Kirkland's. All these little lemon glasses are so sweet, and I can't wait to drink lemonade out of them. And it was a set of 4 for $9.99 at Home Goods. This Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy towel is from Kirkland's, as well as the mini blanket ladder. I love these in bathrooms, by the way, but I just stuck it up here for now. And then I put my lemons in my IKEA strainer. This one's fake, the rest are real. Oh wait, these 2 are fake and the rest are real. And then down here, I just put my Happy Easter sign that I made, and as well as my little Rae Dunn spring and Easter cups, and then filled a vase with some decorative Easter eggs, and that was it. Like I said, I don't have that much Easter decor, but I wanted to decorate with what I had. Just a few things to touch on my hutch. I added this Oh Hello Spring sign. This was so cute. I wish I had a better place to put it because I just think nobody's gonna see it over here, but it's so cute. And then I added these really pretty vintage little saucers that were actually from my husband's grandpa's house. So I love these and I think they're so cute. And then I added my little S cutting board. I like to use that for decoration because I think it's cute and I don't want to use it. And then I just display it with my regular china. Okay, last but not least is our room on the other side of the house. So I painted our bedroom door white because eventually we're gonna get this little area painted white because the rest of the house is white, and it's weird the trim like stops right here. So we're gonna get this area painted white, so I went ahead and painted the door, and I hung this little wreath on it because when you stand back, it just looks so cute and welcoming. Eventually I'm gonna change it out for maybe like a bigger one, but so we're gonna go into our room. And this is what it looks like when you first walk in. So pretty much everything's the same as my cleaning videos, but I just thought these are just naturally really springy, and I love the like texture and warmth they give this room, along with these little, I don't even know what these are called, these little wood decor pieces that are from Hobby Lobby. And then I do have a fiddly fig. It doesn't do the best in here. I need to probably move it because it's looking pretty bad, but it is growing new leaves still, so that is hopeful. Bed and everything's the same. I really didn't add anything. I just cleaned it all up and made it feel nice and fresh. Hadley likes to lay there and look at herself in the mirror. Our master bathroom, I just did a few small changes to make it feel a little more springy. When you walk in, I just made sure that everything was nice and clean. And then over here, as if you saw in my last cleaning video, I have a cute little plant that's from IKEA. And then these jars that just have Q-tips and cotton balls, and this jar and lid are from IKEA, and I don't know where that's from, it's really old. Over here, I just had this cute little picture. I like to switch these out too, depending on the season, but I like the gold and then the fun colors on the inside, and that is from Hobby Lobby as well. Lastly, in our bathroom is this beautiful picture that a family friend painted, and I love it on my wall. I just think it's so pretty, and she's so talented. I love this kind of artwork, and I just think it really can brighten a space. Last thing are these 2 outdoor pillows. I wanted to go ahead and throw them in this video, even though I'm not going to be showing you our outdoor patio because we're in the process of redoing it and decorating it and stuff. These were $12 a piece at Walmart, and they're the Better Homes and Gardens brand, and they're super high quality. And if you bought a pillow at Target like this, it would be upwards of $25 to $30. So highly recommend Walmart's outdoor pillow section because honestly, they're just going to sit outside. But I thought these were so cute, and I had
it, you will be fine. I know they hit your soul and mine. What if we breathe in just for a while? There might be light and hope to find. I have never known if anyone would see it, and if they knew it, would then anybody feel it? I never tried to open doorways, I never told you 'cause I fear, but I'm standing next to you and we'll be there. Come make me feel that I can fly. Come make me see that I can try. All of my pieces I left behind, but if you follow me, there will be love to find. Fight it, that extra mile. I know it's hard to find your smile, but please don't hide it, those scars need time. And even more if you would leave the truth behind. I have never known if anyone would see it, and if they knew it, would then anybody feel it? We never learned the way of sorrow, we chose the silence over tears. In the end, the honest mind will beat your face. Come make me feel that I can fly. Come make me see that I can try. All of my pieces I left behind, but if you follow me, there will be love to find. Come make me feel that I can fly. Come make me see that I can try. All of my pieces I left behind, but if you follow me, there will be love to find. But if you follow me, there will be love to find. But if you follow me, there will be love to find. But if you follow me, there will be love to find. Yeah, if you follow me, there will be love to find. I'm on my way to something new, and so are they, and so are you. Back to a time we all went through.
I hope you guys enjoyed my home tour. I really appreciate you being here and watching. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out and helps my channel to grow, as well as subscribing. That would really mean so much to me. So thank you so much for watching. Happy spring, and I'll see you in my next video.
Will you follow tomorrow on a route? Round in circles, turn around, we need a boot. Throw your sorrows, be prepared to put on mute. Universal, there's no limit in your suit.